What's up guys, Cody B Pyrotechnics here with another video, and we finally got all our racks done. So right up front here we've got this 8-shot from last year. I've used this for a couple of years now. We put together this rack on a pallet, and we've got Zombies Revenge tubes. Obviously I bought a case of Zombies Revenge. We've got 3 Excals. These are all angled. I've got them screwed in. Up front here we've just got an opener. I'm going to put salutes in here, just nothing special, just to open for the angle effects, which are most likely going to be fast fused. I'm not sure yet. Then we've got the Excal pallet. Not sure, I'm pretty sure there are 50 here. You guys can pause the video and count. I'm not going to sit here and count them, but I'm pretty sure there's 50. And so let's see here. What we did is we have these new ones from this year that are much longer than the old ones. I'm not sure why they did that, but actually the long ones are the old ones and the short ones are the new ones. So it looks like these are like 15 and these are 12. Don't know why they did that, but it's whatever. And so we've got the Excal tubes we used last year and the ones we got this year. So we've got a case of Excalibur, we've got a case of Zombies Revenge, and I'll show you guys in the stash video everything I got. That's not going to be today though, that's going to be closer to the fort. And then down here, we've got my finale. These are not connected. These are all 18 shots, except for the ones in the back. And so up front, we've got 2 18s. And this is all going to just rip one at a time. This is all going to be fast fused for my finale because we've got cases and cases of cakes. So we don't need that many shells. But we've got the 2 18s up front. We've got a 36 here, which this is, and like I said, everything here is going to go about the same time. So we go from the 2 18s into the 36, and then here we've got a 54. I do my racks in 18s, it's just easier that way. I made every rack you see here, I constructed myself. So we're going to go over here to my Roman candle racks. Each one of these can hold 2 on each side, so we're going to have 2 on this side and 2 on this side. I'm not sure how many shots yet. Last year we had one that had like 160 shots. It's going to be more this year. We're going to fuse up both of these, and so these are obviously like 2, 4, 6. This is a 6-shotter, but we obviously Roman candles don't have 1 shot, so it's going to be just full of Roman candles, different effects. And so technically this is a 4, but it can fit like 8 Roman candles. But actually we're going to just put 2 on each side. So you guys will see that. It's hard to describe before you see the fusing. So I'll just show you guys that in a later video. And then here we've got the rocket rack. It's been totally modified from last year. Last year it was really crappy because I was kind of running on short notice and I didn't know if I was going to do rockets or not. This year I knew I was going to do rockets, so I made the rack a lot nicer. We've got melted zip ties onto the wood that are then hot glued and taped. So then we've got this base here that you guys did not see last year. I put this on this year just to keep the rockets from falling out onto the grass. You guys obviously know what the purpose of that is for. And so that's going to be great. We've got some large rockets this year, very, very big salute rockets. So yeah, this year's 4th is going to be awesome. And what else? Minus the ridiculous amount of shells I have, we also have a lot of cakes this year. The budget was really high. So you guys are going to be looking forward to that. And I will see you closer to the 4th. Cody B Pyrotechnics out.